Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to KicksCenter. Today we'll be going over the best Adidas signature basketball shoes of all time. Adidas sneakers are all the rage right now. The Adidas Superstar was the best-selling sneaker of 2016. Kanye West's Yeezy line is selling out everywhere, and the Boost cushioning technique has redefined comfort in performance shoes. So it's no wonder that Adidas is gaining market share every month and even replaced Jordan Brand as the second most popular sneaker brand for the first time in 2017. But Adidas is not only producing hot lifestyle sneakers, they also make some of the best performance basketball shoes in the market. We've pretty much brought this list to highlight the best signatures of all time, brought to you by the Three Stripes. Every baller from Kobe when he first stepped onto the scene to the big ticket, who has been seen in nearly every brand known to man, even recently to notable Adidas members such as Damian Lillard and James Harden. Pretty crazy when most people attribute signatures to a certain number 23. Adidas the Kobe. Player, Kobe Bryant. Year, 2000. This may not be the first time a sneaker has been designed after a car, but Adidas went further than usual in utilizing actual Audi designers. The Kobe gets its inspiration from the Audi TT, something Adidas thought was important considering the love for cars in the Los Angeles area. The three main concepts Adidas wanted to borrow from Audi was continuous lines, a clean serve body, and a bullet nose toe box. All three were achieved and the Kobe was created. Adidas the Kobe 2. Player, Kobe Bryant. Year, 2001. From a sales and popularity standpoint, the Adidas the Kobe 2 was an unmitigated disaster. It landed in outlets for rock-bottom prices, people complained about the way the synthetic material creased, and even Kobe Bryant himself returned to wearing his predecessor, the Kobe. That said, the second in the line of Audi-themed Kobe signatures was a tremendous on-court performer. The fit and finish was second to none, and there was no way you'd ever mistake it for anything else. Too bad it looked like a space-age toaster. Adidas Kevin Garnett 3. Player, Kevin Garnett. Year, 2006. Kevin Garnett seemingly bounced around from one brand to the next over his basketball career, wearing every possible sneaker that he could. During his stint with Adidas, the Garnett 3 stormed onto the scene with the breakthrough full-length bounce cushioning. This was KG's last signature as a member of the T-Wolves before heading to the Boston Celtics. Adidas Harden Volume 3. Player, James Harden. Year, 2018. The Harden Volume 3 is by far James Harden's best signature sneaker. The traditional herringbone traction pattern performed extremely well, even on dusty courts. The Boost cushioning is low to the ground, comfortable, responsive, and definitely the best implementation of Boost in a basketball shoe. Materials feel premium and comfortable, and support is much improved compared to the previous Harden models. All sneaker reviewers agree the Harden 3 is a huge improvement in all areas and one of the best basketball shoes of 2018 in general. Adidas Dame 5. Player, Damian Lillard. Year, 2019. The Dame 5 is Damian Lillard's best signature sneaker. The traction works amazingly well on clean courts, but the translucent rubber versions are a little too slippery on dusty courts. The full-length bounce cushioning provides a great balance of responsiveness and impact protection. The materials are super comfortable and very supportive, but the felt that is used on some colorways receives very little love from sneaker critics as it feels cheap and gets dirty really easily. Overall, this is a great performer, especially at a very affordable retail price of only $115. As you can see in our list, we picked some very strong contenders for the best sneakers of all time, but we want to hear from you. Let us know down in the comments what you think the best Adidas signature basketball shoes of all time were, and be sure to give your reasons why. They may be featured in a future video. That's all we have for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like on the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. I'll catch you next time. Goodbye.